Oh my goodness, it is absolutely boiling here in England. I'm not gonna lie, I've been excited to film this video all day. Like, I've been wanting to share with you guys what I got for my birthday for a couple of days, and I've chosen today, of all days, the hottest day of the year, to film this video. So I've not got hardly any makeup on today. I've got a little bit of mascara, right little bit of brows, a little bit of lip balm. My face literally cannot hack having makeup on today. Like, it would just sweat off in about 30 seconds. So we're just gonna leave the makeup today, guys. I've gone unnatural. To be honest though, I'm 22 now. I'm just embracing who I am. You're getting natural me. To be fair, if you guys watched my hair is like turned into a bit of a sweeping fringe because it's so long. I'm getting it cut in 2 days. By the time you're watching this video, my hair will have been cut and coloured and it's gonna look so much better than what it does now. But yeah, excuse the fringe for today's video because it's literally so annoying. It's a bit all over the joint, my loves. It's a bit all over the joint. Okay, I've attempted to sort it out. But hello, welcome back to my channel. I don't even think I've introduced this video, but welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. I turned 22 the other day, which, oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm so old. I had such a good birthday weekend. I actually vlogged the weekend, so I will link that video down in the description so you can go watch it if you want. I got up to some really cool stuff. I'm not gonna lie. We went to like a drive-in cinema. We went to some cool vegan cafe for lunch. I had family around. I went into Leeds. It was just so much fun. It was so good. You can go watch the vlog if you want to see my weekend. But I got some really lovely gifts. I was spoiled as per usual by my friends and family, and yeah, I've just got a couple of the bits to share with you guys really. I've got, obviously as you get older you get like less gifts that mean more to you. I feel like when you're younger you get loads and loads of gifts and you get like random aunties and grandmas giving you gifts that you've never even met before, whereas when you get older it's kind of like the people who are actually in your life that give you gifts. So there's not absolutely loads that I'm going to share in this video. There's just a few of the nice little bits that I wanted to share with you guys because I'm so excited about some of it. It's unreal. So yeah, I really do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to like it, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and without further ado, let's get into what I got for my birthday 2020. I want to start with some jewellery because I actually got some jewellery, which is so exciting. The first thing is actually this necklace, which I've got on right now. This is from a really cool brand that I've actually forgotten the name of off the top of my head, so I'll put it on the screen so that you can see it. But this is what it looks like. It's like two little rings. One's like plain and simple, and then this one's got little like gems across the front. Oh my god, don't look at that nail, by the way. It's so bad, isn't it? It literally just fell off the other day and I've not had time to redo it, so I should probably do that tonight. But anyway, yeah, back to the necklace. And then the actual chain here has got little beads on it. It's just so pretty. I've got it on with this little top today, this little like vest top, and it just looks really cute. It goes with so many of my clothes. I actually chose this myself, and then my grandma like got it for my birthday. So yeah, a lot of this stuff I did actually choose myself, by the way, just throwing it out there. A lot of it was chosen by moi, including this actually, which I am a massive fan of Sammy Maria. She's a YouTuber. I feel like I've spoke about her before. I'm sure many of you follow her anyway, but if you don't, I'll link her channel or I'll link her like jewellery line. So yeah, she's got her own jewellery line and she sells like the most beautiful, luxurious rings, bracelets and necklaces. So I got one of the necklaces, like the little chains, and I just thought I would keep the box to show you because when it came it says from us to Goldsmith to Leah. How cute! Love that. They obviously like handwrite your name on the box, which is so nice. I just think it's a really good gift idea, you know, like having your name in it and stuff. So yeah, this is the box that it comes in. I chose a little necklace, by the way, in case you're wondering what this is going to be. I love the little box. So I've actually put this back in because I have actually worn this because I wore it over my birthday weekend. But this is the little chain. How cute. It's so shiny and beautiful. I'm actually going to get it out and put it on now so that you can see what it's like on. It's a slightly different gold colour to this one that I've got on now. It's a little bit more, it's a little bit darker I think, but it's really nice, and you can get like little pendants to put on it and stuff. Oh my god, the struggle is real. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a really cute like layering necklace. I think it goes nicely with this actually. It's just a slightly different gold colour. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but yeah, I love it. It's so cute. So that was from my parents actually. Really lovely little gift. I really wanted like a nice couple of necklaces because I'm obviously getting into my jewellery and stuff more, and you'll have seen from a couple of videos that I've been working with like Daniel Wellington and stuff. They gifted me a really beautiful watch and bracelet, and I've been wearing it non-stop, and obviously I'm like wanting to get my ears pierced and stuff, so I'm just getting into it a little bit more. This is literally one of the only gifts, by the way, that I didn't know about. My friend got me a little earpiece, I'll show you it in just a second, from this amazing brand called Astrid and, oh, why have I even tried to pronounce this? Miu. This is the cute little box, I will show you, and then it opens up like this. And then it's like a little ear huggy. That's what I think they're called. And it kind of just goes along your ear like this. yeah, it's a really, really cute little ear huggy and I love it. So yeah, I ended up with quite a few new bits of jewellery, which is so, so lovely. I think people like know that I'm getting into it a bit, so lovely. And I love the little bag that it comes in as well. I'm one of those people who literally keeps the bags and stuff. I'm just gonna put it there. Should I just show you this now? This is a little towel that my mum got me ages ago when I was obsessed with sausage dogs. Look at this towel, guys. It's so in your face and so sausage doggy. Look at all the cute little sausage dogs though. To be fair, if I actually saw a sausage dog like that, I would die and go to heaven. They're so, so cute. But yeah, she got me this towel. How funny is that? I'm probably gonna take that away with me when I go away next week. So yeah, that was another present that I got. Absolutely love that. I'm just gonna go in a bit of a random order, by the way. I'm not gonna do any particular order. So I got a couple of books, which I did actually do a book haul in my last vlog. It'll have been a couple of videos ago now, and I got quite a few books, and I did mention in there that I was giving a few away for people to get me for my birthday. So I'll just show you these two because these are the two that people actually got me. So I got this one. This is Before the Coffee Gets Cold by this author that I cannot pronounce the name of. I've seen so many people rave about this book. Honestly, it's meant to be so, so good. It's basically about a time traveling cafe, so people like go in and they travel back in time and try change things that they've done. I think it's got a really, really cool like concept, and it's a really, really short book as well. It's like 200 pages, so excited to read that. Yeah, it's literally like 213 pages. I think that will be a really, really good book club book, so let me know in the comments if you fancy reading that in a book club 1 month. So yeah, Before the Coffee Gets Cold, that's the first one, and then also this one, Out of Love by Hazel Hayes. I think it's meant to have quite a modern take on your sort of typical love story. I think it's like told in reverse, so the book starts at the end of the relationship, and then as each chapter goes on it takes us further back in time, which I thought was really, really cool, and I just liked the sound of it. So yeah, that is the next book that I got. I actually got a couple of others, but as I said, I mentioned them in the other video, so if you want to see all the books that I got in the most recent Waterstones haul that I did, head over to that video because it's on there. Oh my goodness, literally can't even talk about these. They're so, so nice. I've been obsessed with Replica perfume for months. I'm not joking. I think since like last Christmas. I used to walk through John Lewis and spray the testers like every single day. I'm not joking. I know showing perfume on a YouTube video is so rubbish because you can't actually smell them. They're basically just to like explain the kind of concept of these perfumes. These are not the only 3 that are kind of available. There is loads, but each smell, like each scent, represents a different smell from real life, if that makes sense. So in here we've got Jazz Club, Whispers in the Library, and By the Fireplace, and each smell smells like the real thing but in a really nice way. It's so weird. I think they're all unisex as well, but they're just such nice smells. My favourite is By the Fireplace, but I really wanted to try some others as well, so my mum got me this set of 3, and I think they're all like 10 mil, and they're so nice. They're really, really expensive. I think it's because normally when you buy like a full size one you can only get 100 mil, so yeah, got these 3 little testers. I've got Whispers in the Library on now, and it smells so good, honestly. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, I got this really, really cute mug. My friend bought me this. This is from a brand called East of India, and I've seen so much of this brand. Honestly, I feel like East of India is in so many little like gift shops when you go away, like little cute trinket shops, and they do the cutest little mugs. So my friend got me this one. You'll have seen this on my Instagram if you follow me. It says on it, "Strop it before coffee," and the little dots go all the way around, and there's little plants. It's just so cute. It's the perfect little size. It's literally like the perfect size for a latte in our coffee machine as well, which is perfect. So I literally have been having coffee out of this like every single morning since I got it. So yeah, how cute is that? It's so cute and diddy. I just love it. To be fair, I actually went downstairs before this video and got that out of the cupboard, so I'm probably just gonna walk straight back downstairs and put it back in the cupboard when I finish filming. So yeah, I love the little box as well. I like never want to throw it away. It's so lovely. I mean, it wouldn't be me, would it, if I didn't get any face masks? My mum literally knows how obsessed I am, so she got me a couple of the Garnier ones. She got me a simple one as well. I'll just quickly show you which one she got. So this is one of them. She got me the Sakura and Hyaluronic Acid mask. Love that one. She also got me this one. This is the Pomegranate and Hyaluronic Acid. Oh my god, honestly that one is so good. I've not used it in so long. And also this one. This is the Simple Charcoal Purifying Sheet Mask Daily Skin Detox. Yeah, a couple of little face masks to add to my collection. Probably going to use these up very soon, I'm not going to lie. I use a ridiculous amount of face masks. It's a bit of a joke, but I love them. So oh my god, I also got a set of Calvin Klein thongs. 2 of them are in the wash, so the set just looks so bad, but I thought I'd just show you them anyway. I absolutely love Calvin Klein underwear. I just think it's such good quality, and it's just, I don't know, I feel like nice underwear is severely underrated. I'm not joking. Like I would literally spend so much time in Primark buying like the £1 underwear, and I think it's got to the point now where I'm like, you know what, I just want nice stuff. So I asked for some Calvin Klein and I got this colour, which is really, really cute. I got a black pair and then like a black and white stripy pair as well, which is so, so nice. So yeah, love those. So, so comfy. There's literally no point me keeping that packaging because I'll probably end up wearing them tomorrow. So yeah, love that. Love that for me. I also got a weekly planner. I mean, I love my stationery a lot more than the average person, I'm not gonna lie. And this weekly planner, can we take a minute? Wow. I love it so, so much. Honestly, it's beautiful. Like, the pages are just so lovely. I have literally started using this. Like, these pages I've literally already used. I've started using this on my work desk and it's amazing. I love it. I love a weekly planner. I just think it's perfect. I've not actually used one in such a long time. I really wanted to get Alice Thorpe's weekly planner and they were sold out literally as soon as she released them. They were all sold out and I was desperate for one, so I was in need of one of those. So yeah, little weekly planner. Love that for me. I also got this little coin purse. Look at this, how cute. You could literally just fit like a couple of pound coins in there. It's got a little wooden handle as well. I also got this little compact mirror as well, which is severely underrated. I feel like a compact mirror is one of the handiest things to have in your handbag. It's unbelievable and I literally never ever have one, so I'm gonna make a point of taking this one out, I think. I love the little pattern on the front as well. How cute. And then the last thing is actually this. This is gonna make you laugh actually. I've not opened it, so I'm gonna open it now. But my mum and dad literally never watch my videos. Like they don't really have a lot to do with my YouTube, to be honest. They kind of keep out of it. I don't really speak about it a lot. It's kind of like a thing that I do and kind of keep to myself sort of thing. So anyway, I was sat there on my birthday morning. My mum was like, so I know you do a lot of testing videos. And I'm literally sat there, I'm like, how do you know I do a lot of testing videos? And she's like, well, I know you tested out Aldi not so long back. I think I tested out Aldi products in February, by the way, just to put this out there. And she was like, so I know you tested Aldi products. So when me and your dad went, we saw them putting out these palettes in Aldi and I was like, oh my god. So they are Urban Decay Naked Palette dupes. I'm just gonna do this so you can't like see the mirror, but this is what it looks like. How nice is that? I mean, if the actual pigment is good, I'll be really impressed. I've got absolutely no idea what these are going to be like. She was like, oh my god, yeah, so you can do a video on this palette. And I was like, oh my god, that's so lovely. That's so cute. It's called, if you're interested, Naturals Intense. That is the little Aldi palette they got me. She was like, oh my god, yeah, it just looks so good, doesn't it? It's like Urban Decay. I was like, yeah, it is, to be fair, a little bit like Urban Decay. Love that. That's gonna go in my little collection. If you guys actually want to see a video where I test this out, let me know in the comments. I don't know if you will or not, but yeah. I think that's everything that I had to show you. I got quite a few bits of like walking clothes and like outdoor stuff, but they're all like packed in my suitcase because I'm going away soon and I'm taking them with me, so you'll see them on my Instagram, I'm sure of it. So yeah, that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed having a little nosy and seeing what I got for my birthday. It's always good to have a little nosy, isn't it? I'm always like really interested as to what people got for their birthdays. I just think it's really interesting and exciting. I'm always like really excited for people. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you did enjoy this video. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon for a new video. Bye guys!